can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're going to be talking about a bunch of leaks that have to do with sneakers and streetwear, just a whole bunch of stuff that I do want to cover for you guys today. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, slap a like on it down below, comment any video ideas that you would like me to go ahead and make. Also subscribe to the channel if you are interested in any new videos that I make for you guys. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So honestly, there's a bunch of stuff that I want to talk about today, but there's no specific order that I'm gonna cover it in. First, I'm gonna talk about the Cactus Jack Evisu collab that could possibly be happening. If you guys don't know, Evisu is like a brand of jeans that used to have a lot of popularity back in the day, and low-key it has died out by now, but I feel like you already know the Travis Scott effect. If he goes ahead and does a collab with them, these shits are gonna go through the roof. The only thing that I don't know is, are these gonna be boot cut, classic fit, or slim, skinny? I don't know what's going on with these, but they do got like the Cactus Jack logo on the back pocket. They are like famous for this branding on a different color pocket, and this is pretty much what you can see right here. Don't know if these are gonna be like some baggy ass pants. It does look cool from what I can see though. That's all we got on that so far. We do got the Dior Jordan 1 sneakers, which actually released already by now. I tried to enter for the high and the low with different accounts, and I took a L. It's being said that there was like 5 million people who went for those sneakers. So if you got in and managed to cop, let me know in the comments, because low-key you could play the lotto right now. Those shits are fire, but they do have a collection that I feel like dropped as well. They got like this shoulder bag with a bomber jacket, which are both fire in my opinion. It says Air Dior with the Wings logo on it. That shit is fire. The shoulder bag is actually pretty cool. It kind of looks like a purse, but I can see the shoulder bag resemblance on it. We also do got like this necklace with the Wings logo that says Air Dior on it. Both of those are fire. I don't know if they released already, but I'm pretty sure they did, to be honest. We got a whole bunch of sneaker leaks, but the main bit of news that I want to talk about for today is that the Air Jordan 4 Off-White is officially going to be coming out July 25th. They have been loaded on the sneakers app, and even though these are a women's sneaker, these are going to be super profitable, and they are going to be in extended sizes up to like a men 15, which is pretty much a man sneaker at this point. Every man is gonna go for these. If they come in anything that can remotely fit on my foot, I'm gonna be going for these. But these are fire, and low-key I had this video idea where I talk about anything that you should resell for the month. So it would be like everything to resell from July 2020, where I would talk about streetwear, cause figures, anything that you could possibly make a flip on, I would talk about in that video. Let me know if you guys would be interested in a video like that. But we do got some more pieces to talk about. These Off-White Jordan 4s are probably better than the 5s to me. I'm a huge fan of Jordan 4s, and this is a fire piece. I feel like I would honestly pay resale for these, because looking at the prices on the 5s, these will probably resell for like 500 at first, and then low-key they'll go up to like 8-9. I don't want to pay that 8-9, so I might pay the 5. It's also being said that the Yeezy 350 V2 in the bread colorway is going to restock in December this year, which is crazy. I feel like that's probably one of the better Yeezys that have come out from the V2 line, and low-key I'm gonna definitely try to go for these right here. They're saying that the stock is gonna be like 10 times bigger than what it was before. I honestly do not know how true that is, but I am gonna try to go for these nonetheless. I honestly would go on StockX now and check like how much these shits are dipping. The prices on these bitches is gonna go straight down, like on some shit like this. Like the way that stocks fell with the Rona, that's what's gonna happen with these V2s right here. Shit is gonna hit the flow, but these are gonna restock in December this year, which is actually pretty fire, not gonna lie. We also have these top 3 Jordan 1 2.0s. These shits are fire. On the back of these, they do have like the red with the blue, then it's like a black toe type pattern on it where it has the black front and the colors on the back, but these got the red and the blue. These shits are insane in my opinion. Definitely gonna be going for these. This is a pair of sneakers that I feel like you can wear it more than the original top 3s. They didn't kill it like the other top 3s with the Jordan 5s and and all the other shits, those are ass. These shits are hitting. Like, I don't know why, but it just works on Jordan 1s. Resale for these bitches is gonna be crazy, and they're saying that they're gonna release in August 2020. But I do want to say that one of the best ways to go ahead and secure any of the items that I've been talking about so far, especially when it comes to Supreme and other crazy brands, would be by checking out Addict.io. As of recently, they are sold out, but they will be having an extremely limited restock real soon. They are the most reliable iOS bot too, so they offer a bunch of features like restock monitors, leaks, and stuff like that. They offer sneaker info when you go ahead and join their Discord. They also do have support, so if you don't know what to do on a drop, you do go ahead and contact them and they will help you out as well. They cover like 85 different stores, which is honestly crazy. Stores like Kith, Supreme, Bape, Palace, Undefeated, and the list goes on. They even just added Yeezy supply on there as well. So one thing that you should know is that when you do buy Addict.io, they have no renewal fees, so you go ahead and pay the price and then you keep it forever. With my promo code Astro, you save 10% off as well. It would be like 117. You can also divide it into 4 different payments to make it more affordable for your pockets, but this is definitely a great way to step into the reselling game. If you're trying to cop some pieces and make a quick flip, you can go ahead and do that by using Addict.io. Make sure you go ahead and check that link at the top of the description if you're trying to enter in the newsletter. That way you're notified exactly when they do have their super limited restock. It's probably one of the easiest bots to set up and it doesn't take no time. Definitely doesn't hurt to check them out. But let's go ahead and talk about the rest of these pieces and then get straight up out the building. There's rumors being said that there's another fire pair of Jordan 4s coming out, and it is the Union collab. These are just rumors, but a lot of people are saying that these shits are gonna come out. This would be fire. The military blues with the breads on top stitched together is just crazy in my opinion. I would love this sneaker right here. This is literally my favorite 4s mashed together. It's crazy. I feel like they would do it a little bit better though. This is hard. Like, I don't know what it is, but this definitely works. I don't know if it's the yellow stitching. I don't know if it's the 2 color laces. I don't know if it's the yellow tab. I don't know what it is, but these shits are definitely gonna sell out instantly. Resale would be nuts on this shit too, but these are fire in my opinion. And if they do release, just know that I'ma definitely enter the raffles, definitely try it on sneakers or wherever they come out, and I might end up having to pay resale, but that's the way it goes. These are fire nonetheless. There's the Kith Looney Tunes collab, which is actually crazy. Bugs Bunny is like 80 years old at this point, the cartoon, and there's gonna be a Kith collaboration to celebrate that. There's gonna be some Converse in the collaboration. There's like this little box that has all the little figures in it. I feel like that box is gonna be worth at least 300 retail, and honestly, who knows how much resale would be for that shit. There's Bugs Bunny, Tweety, Tasmanian Devil, the Martian is there, fucking Daffy Duck. I think there's a bunch of them. This shit just looks fire. They all have like the colors that are on Bugs Bunny too, with the little Kith box logo in the middle. Definitely fire, but my favorite one would have to be Bugs Bunny, like the bigger version. He got the little beanie on with the Kith hoodie. Shit is crazy. There's definitely gonna be a clothing collection as well, but I thought I'd just show y'all the little plushes. If y'all want to see more about this, just go ahead and slap a like and let me know down below. I do plan on making more of these type of videos in the future, hopefully once a week, which would be fire. That way I have enough time to generate a good bit of news to talk about. But this collection is fire, bro. Huge fan. The actual Converse aren't even that bad. The black with the white and then the hints of color with the actual characters, I just feel like it works. Normally they do these Converse where it's like loaded with branding. These are a little bit more subtle. Instead of the little Converse logo, it says Kith with the little Looney Tunes thing. Then on the other side you got the characters. It's fire, bro. But we got these Sacai Nike Vaporwaffles. These might be the best waffles so far. These got like these little, the little platform on the back. The little front part of it is fire too. Huge fan of these right here. I feel like these are gonna sell out and resale is gonna be crazy as well. I feel like these are gonna sell out and resale would be insane on these. I don't know if it's a mock-up. They're saying that these would release summer fall 2020, which is low-key this whole part right here. So we could probably be seeing these soon. Retail on these bitches is $180, which I could see is like 3 sneakers in one given, bro. This is fire though nonetheless. We already have one leak for Supreme. I've low-key been holding this for like a little while now, and it is a Supreme Nike collaboration. We have like this jacket which is reversible. It has a Supreme Nike logo dead on the front right there. I feel like this is like a vintage vibe on a Supreme jacket. Huge fan of this one right here. I would honestly freak it in either side. You got like that grid logo with the Supreme branding on the top. Then you got the simple one with the little Supreme on the front right here as well. This piece is actually fire. We got one more Supreme Nike bit of news to talk about, and it is the Supreme Nike ACGs. I don't know where you going with these, bro, but like, I'm good. Like, I'm not trying to wear ACGs, period. So the fact that these are coming out is really nothing too special for me, but I know that a lot of people do like ACGs. That's probably why I will talk about it. But for me, these shits are ass. Like, I'm 100 on these, bro. I'm good. You got two more things to talk about. One of them being these Fragment Jordan 3s, which are low-key surfacing everywhere. People have been wearing these on feet, which means one thing, and it is that these are in the works, bro. I don't know if it's a sample. I don't know if it's coming out, but people got them on their feet. These shits are real. They are out there, and these might actually be coming out. You got that Fragment logo instead of the Jumpman on the back. It says Fragment Air on it. It's like a black and white makeup of colors, which is pretty fire. I do wish that the bottom had a little bit more black or even a little bit more color. This isn't bad nonetheless. Definitely a clean pair of sneakers. I just don't know if I'll even have the shot at buying these shits. Like, these are gonna sell out so fast. It's crazy, bro. These shits are probably sold out already. But we do have another pair of 3s, which is rumored to be coming out March 2021. I know we're talking about next year news. That's just the way this whole sneaker shit works. The Georgetown 3s, bro, these shits would be fire. It's like a navy with a gray. Normally this is a sample sneaker for a college, but they are little by little releasing these. They already came out with the UNCs. They're gonna come out with the Oregon Duck 5s. They're low-key trying to push these little by little. I could see this happening next year. Low-key, they're running out of colors, so they gotta start pulling shit out the hat, and this isn't a bad way to do it. I feel like this is a clean colorway. Definitely fire with that cement print. It just works perfectly. I might go ahead and buy these shits. It's like a black cement, but it's navy. Pretty clean in my opinion, but that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, just go ahead and slap a like on this one for me. Subscribe if you aren't new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Make sure you go ahead and let me know what type of videos you would like me to do in the comments. I'm low-key reading every single comment like I always do, low-key, but I'm paying attention to some video ideas just so I can know what I could get out to you guys. I'm just trying to switch it up a little bit, and all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.